everyone, I wanted to come on tonight to show you the update to my freezer. I wasn't really all that satisfied yesterday with how it turned out on the bottom shelf. I felt like I had just shoved everything back in there and I was just creating the same problem that I was trying to solve. So I decided to use some of my favorite dollar store bins. These bins are $1 at my local Dollar Tree to corral our frozen food items like our Lean Cuisines, Healthy Choice, ice cream type items. So it's very easy just to access the bin and pull it out, get what we need, and put it back. I think this will also help us to not keep repurchasing food that we already have, and will keep everything streamlined and easy to access. I hope you enjoy. Have a good night.